last week or 10 days or so, we've seen some correction come in after we reached those record high levels. How Siddharth also mentioned that 20,000 or 20K amount still looks elusive as of now. But where are the markets headed according to you? Do you think that we've, in the short to medium term, we've already made that top? Or do you still say that, bulls are just going to be taking a breather, they will be back and we will see high levels?
So, Sakshi, the markets always have their own, I would say, gate, their own way of moving. So if you see, January we started Nifty with 18,500 as the index. So from there, actually, we are up only 6%, 7%. It's not that we are significantly higher over the last 8 months. The only thing is we fell to like 16,500 at the Nifty level in March. And from those levels, we look at 20% rise and we believe that, markets are all over the place in terms of moving up. Yes, there are some segments, the smaller companies which have just gone berserk. But I think overall, if you actually see, we are much cheaper than what we were in October 21. So in October 21, when we were 18,500 as far as Nifty is concerned, we were trading at like 25 times 1 year forward. Now at 19,500 and with Nifty earnings expected to grow 16, 17% for the next 2 years, in terms of EPS, we are looking at somewhere closer to 1,060 to 1,100 rupees of EPS for Nifty for FY25. And on those valuations, which are lower than 19 times, FY25, which is 10% premium to the long-term average. So it's not crazily overvalued. Yes, there is slight, I would say 10% premium to the 10-year average, but we are not completely out of whack. The other thing is in the near term, obviously, the result season has been pretty okay. There have been good numbers from some sectors. There have been some headwinds for some sectors. But I think overall, we are heading into at least the next, I would say the second half of FY24 as a period of great optimism. This time we have the festival season, which has got deferred by a month. But the way the monsoons have progressed and the way the environment is building up, both in terms of consumption as well as infrastructure spending, we are pretty confident that the year should end up well. Markets in the very near term, frankly, I don't have any guess estimate. It's good that they have pulled up. Last 1 year, the markets have gone nowhere. I would be more than happy if the same trend continues at least for a couple of weeks more. We need a little bit of breather, a little bit of cooling off. But I think the optimism from a 3-4 years perspective remains as positive as it was ever.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.